MyLog.food AI is a brand new AI software that just hit the scene. And today I'm going to tell you the 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you dive in. If you're on the fence about whether MyLog.food is worth your time, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it brings to the table and whether it's right for you. First off, let me just say, MyLog.food AI is completely free to try, and you can get access through the first link in the description below. If you're thinking about testing it out, there's no risk to see how it works for your needs. So what is MyLog.food exactly? It's an AI-powered platform designed to simplify food tracking, nutritional insights, and meal planning. This tool aims to help users stay on top of their dietary goals with minimal effort. Whether you're trying to track calories, follow a specific diet, or just improve your eating habits, MyLog.food uses machine learning to give you tailored suggestions and real-time feedback based on your food choices. Now, let's break down the 7 key things you need to know about MyLog.food AI. One of the standout features of MyLog.food AI is its highly accurate food recognition system. Simply snap a photo of your meal and the AI scans it to identify the ingredients, calculate calories, and provide nutritional breakdowns. This saves you from manually inputting everything into a food log, which can be a huge time saver, especially for busy people who don't have the time to meticulously track every bite. Secondly, the platform is incredibly user-friendly. When you first sign up, it walks you through the setup process with easy-to-follow prompts. There's no steep learning curve, making it accessible for anyone, even if you're not tech-savvy. This ease of use is critical for people looking to improve their eating habits without feeling overwhelmed by complex interfaces or too many features. Another thing that stands out is its ability to integrate with other health and fitness apps. If you're using something like MyFitnessPal or Apple Health, MyLog.food AI can pull in data from these sources to give you an even more holistic view of your health and wellness. This cross-platform connectivity is essential for people who want an all-in-one solution to track both their food and exercise. Now, MyLog.food AI isn't just a passive tracker. It actually gives you actionable insights based on your eating patterns. It can flag foods that don't align with your goals, suggest healthier alternatives, and even offer meal prep ideas based on your dietary preferences. If you're looking for a tool that actively helps you make smarter decisions, this is a great feature. Another important point is the software's accuracy. With its advanced machine learning algorithms, MyLog.food AI continuously learns and improves. The more you use it, the more precise its recommendations and tracking become. This is particularly beneficial for those who are serious about meeting their nutritional goals or following specific diet plans. While we're on the topic of diets, MyLog.food AI is versatile enough to support a wide range of dietary preferences and restrictions. Whether you're following keto, vegan, gluten-free, or anything in between, it can adjust its recommendations to suit your needs. This flexibility makes it appealing to a broad audience with diverse dietary needs. Lastly, MyLog.food AI is continuously evolving. The team behind the software is dedicated to rolling out updates that improve functionality, add new features, and make the user experience even smoother. If you've ever used a tool that seemed to stagnate after launch, you'll appreciate knowing that MyLog.food is constantly improving. So, is MyLog.food AI worth trying? Absolutely. Whether you're someone who just wants to track their meals or someone more focused on optimizing their nutrition, MyLog.food AI provides the tools you need without the hassle. Before you go, don't forget to check out my list of AI software recommendations in the description below, including MyLog.food and other tools I've tested extensively. These are the top choices after trying thousands of AI tools, and you can start using them completely free. Make sure to check them out for your next AI-powered solution. Thanks for watching.